How to get abs while working out for weight loss. Are you looking for a way to get rid of that stubborn belly fat and tone your abs in just 2 weeks? If so, you're in luck. A large stomach does not imply that it is fat. However, the belly area is the primary target of fat, so we must flatten it. Here is a list of the most effective and time-tested methods for losing belly fat and getting abs. In this video, we'll show you the most effective and time-tested techniques to eliminate belly fat and develop abs while training for weight loss. The workout consists of 5 exercises that target your core muscles from different angles and intensities. All you need is a mat, some water, and a positive attitude, and your task will be to execute them on a daily basis to see results on your big belly. To do this workout, you need to perform each exercise for 30 seconds with 10 seconds of rest in between. Repeat the circuit 3 times with 1 minute of rest after each round. Do this workout 3 times a week on non-consecutive days, and you will see amazing results in just 2 weeks. We'll also give you a number of tips, tricks, and the best nutrition list during the video. The tuck V-up exercise will take us into the domain of core strength and stability today. This exercise is similar to a superhero move for your abs, making it an absolute must-have for your fitness program. The rectus abdominis, which is placed in front of the pelvis between the ribs and the pubic bone, is the primary focus of the V-up exercise. It's also known as the six-pack muscle. This exercise also works the external and internal oblique muscles, hip flexors, adductors, and quadriceps. So, let's get this party started. Lie face up on the floor, legs straight, arms extended above your head. Your biceps should be near your ears, and your lower back should be flat on the ground. The V-up exercise is an excellent way to tone and strengthen your abs, resulting in a flatter tummy. This exercise stimulates numerous core areas at once, making it an efficient technique to increase core strength and stability. Now comes the exciting part. Lift your upper body and bend your knees at the same time, bringing your chest and knees together in a tuck position. As if that wasn't challenging enough, try touching your toes with your hands while lifting your shoulder blades off the ground. What a great core workout! Return to the beginning position by slowly lowering your upper body and extending your legs. Remember that control is essential in this situation. Rep the movement as many times as you want. After a few representatives, you'll feel the fire in your core. To stay hydrated and avoid dehydration, drink plenty of water before, during, and after exercise. You may also need to replenish electrolytes, especially if you exercise in hot and humid weather. The advantages of the V-up workout extend beyond ab strength and definition. It also helps with lower back discomfort by improving balance, stability, and posture. A healthy and strong core is just as crucial for performance as any other muscle. The rectus abdominis and deeper core muscles provide us with the flexibility and rigidity we need to move around, lift heavier weights, and reach our full physical potential. The tuck V-up exercise is a game changer when it comes to core strength. It addresses all of the necessary muscles, assisting you in developing stability and preventing injuries. It's also quite adaptable, allowing you to incorporate variations such as the alternating single leg V-up for more fun and challenge. That's all there is to it. The tuck V-up exercise is an excellent technique to improve your core. Always remember that form is essential, so make sure you're activating your core muscles and not stressing your lower back. The hip raise twist is a dynamic exercise that engages the lower back, hamstrings, and quads as well as the abs and obliques. The hip raise twist is a useful exercise for improving core stability and oblique muscle engagement, which are the muscles on the sides of the abdomen and the lower back muscles. Here's how to do it correctly, including breathing methods. Lie face up on the floor, legs extended and hoisted together over your hips, arms by your sides. Keep control throughout the movement and concentrate on the mind-muscle connection between your core and obliques. If you're new to this exercise, you can lower the intensity by performing it with bent knees until you're comfortable with the action. Proper execution and breathing methods are essential for getting the most out of the hip raise twist. It is critical to maintain control during the exercise and to concentrate on engaging the core muscles. Deep breathing and exhaling while you lift and twist your hips can help you engage your core muscles more effectively. Lift your hips slowly off the floor while using your core muscles. Then, rotate your hips gently to one side, feeling the obliques constrict. Return your hips to the center of your body and descend them to the floor. As you're ready to lift your hips, inhale. Exhale as you lift and spin your hips, focusing on fully engaging your core. Inhale as you bring your hips back to the center and lower them. Rep the activity, rotating the twisting direction each time, or finish all representatives on one side before moving to the other. This exercise is an excellent method to challenge and strengthen your core while also improving rotational stability, which is useful in a variety of sports and daily tasks. Consume sufficient protein to promote muscle growth and repair. The amount of protein you require depends on your activity level, body weight, and goals, but 1.2 to 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day is a basic recommendation. Eggs, poultry, fish, tofu, beans, nuts, and dairy products are all good sources of protein. Consume healthy fats such as olive oil, avocado, nuts, seeds, and fatty seafood. These fats aid in the reduction of inflammation, the support of brain function, and the promotion of heart health. The hip raise twist stimulates the hip flexors, hamstrings, and quadriceps in addition to the obliques and lower back muscles, making it a full-body exercise that improves general stability and mobility. This exercise also works the lower back muscles, which are necessary for healthy posture and avoiding lower back pain. The hip raise twist can help you develop a stronger and more defined core while also improving your overall stability and mobility. So, give it a shot and get ready to feel the burn in all the right places. The plank scorpion exercise engages the entire core while also challenging the obliques. Perform the plank scorpion exercise while keeping a stable plank posture and moving in a controlled manner. Follow these steps to do it while stressing core involvement and oblique challenge. Begin in a typical elbow plank posture, making sure your body is in a straight line from head to heels. This is a critical posture for engaging the entire core. Exhale as you elevate and curl one leg over the other leg while maintaining the plank posture, rotating your opposing hip for optimal range of motion. As you do the leg rotation, maintain your core engaged and your hips stable. Return to the starting plank posture and repeat the technique on the opposite side, making sure your core is fully engaged throughout. To support core engagement, focus on deep, controlled breathing. Inhale as you prepare for the exercise, and exhale as you rotate your legs, accentuating the obliques challenge. Continue switching sides for the appropriate number of representatives, keeping the plank position firm and focusing on engaging the entire core, especially the obliques. The plank scorpion is a difficult version of the standard plank exercise, and form and stability must be prioritized. Plan your meals and snacks around your workout routine. A common rule of thumb is to have a modest meal or snack containing both carbs and protein 1 to 2 hours before exercise, and another 1 to 2 hours after exercise. This will help you perform better and recover faster. You may enhance the advantages of this exercise by emphasizing controlled movement and deep core activation, making it an ideal addition to your core workout regimen. Start with a manageable number of repetitions, and progressively increase the intensity as your strength and proficiency in the exercise improve. Including the plank scorpion in your workout program will help you improve your core strength, stability, and mobility. To receive the maximum advantages of the plank scorpion workout, you must maintain a firm plank position. You can increase the effectiveness of this difficult exercise by focusing on controlled movement and utilizing the core muscles. The spider to cross body climber is a dynamic exercise that stresses core activation and controlled movement. This exercise works the entire abdominal area and helps to improve overall core strength. This dynamic movement works the rectus abdominis, obliques, and hip flexors, making it a full-body core workout. Here's how you do it. Face a wall or a bench with your feet hip distance apart. Step forward with one foot and place it on the bench or the wall, keeping your core engaged and your body in a straight line. Lift your arms high and reach for a wall or bench, feeling your core muscles flex. Step forward with the other foot to meet the first, forming a spider pose with your feet hip distance apart. Exhale while engaging your core and lifting your hips, bringing your hands to your chest or clapping them together overhead. Return to the starting posture and alternate legs to complete the action. The exercise targets the entire abdominal region, including the upper and lower abs, as well as the obliques, by raising the hips and pulling the knees toward the chest in a controlled manner. Bringing the knees across the torso involves a rotating exercise that engages the oblique muscles, which contributes to better core strength and stability. Furthermore, the exercise activates the hip flexors, which are important for core strength and stability. As you prepare for the movement, inhale. Exhale while engaging your core and lifting your hips, concentrating on controlled movement and core engagement. Complex carbs should be preferred over simple sugars since they give a longer prolonged source of energy and help manage blood glucose levels. Complex carbohydrates include brown rice, quinoa, oats, sweet potatoes, and whole wheat bread. Maintain controlled movement and core engagement throughout the exercise by alternating legs for the required number of repetitions. The spider to cross body climber is an excellent exercise for working the entire core, including the obliques, as well as the lower back and hip flexors. You may enhance the advantages of this exercise by stressing controlled movement and core activation, making it a fantastic addition to your workout program. Individuals can successfully develop their entire core by emphasizing controlled movement and core activation throughout the spider to cross body climber, resulting in greater functional mobility, better posture, and a lower chance of injury. To properly utilize your core muscles, remember to maintain appropriate form and focus on the mind-muscle connection. This exercise is a popular choice among athletes and fitness aficionados since it improves core strength, stability, and mobility. The roll-up clap is an excellent workout for working both the upper and lower abs. Follow these steps to do this workout correctly. Start by lying on your back with your legs extended and your arms extended overhead. Inhale deeply and engage your core. Exhale as you roll up through your spine slowly and with control, rising your arms and reaching for your toes. Clap your hands under your legs at the peak of the action when your body creates a V shape. Slowly reverse the movement, lowering your back one vertebra at a time to the floor. This guarantees that the muscles perform efficiently and effectively, resulting in increased core strength. Rep the movement for the appropriate amount of representatives, concentrating on engaging both the upper and lower abs throughout the exercise. The roll-up clap's dynamic nature combines a combination of movement and muscle activation, stressing the core in a variety of ways. The rolling movement works the rectus abdominis, while the top clap works the obliques and hip flexors. Consume a well-balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, and water. This will give you the nutrition and energy you require to execute and recuperate from your workouts. You may successfully develop and tone your abdominal muscles by performing the roll-up clap with controlled movement and focusing on the engagement of the entire core, particularly the upper and lower abs. This exercise is an excellent addition to your core workout program, assisting you in becoming stronger and more effective in building abdominal muscular endurance. This will assist you in developing a stronger and more distinct midsection while also boosting your general core strength and stability. Finally, I have a question for you. Did you know that meditation might help you lose weight quickly? Meditation has been found in studies to help people lose weight and reduce stress and anxiety. In this video, we highlight the most crucial parts of meditation as well as some other helpful tools and tips to get you started. Click now to gain immediate access to a peaceful mind and relaxation.